In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the master window switch on the driver's side door of this Hyundai Accent. Let's get started. We will need to remove the door panel for this procedure, and we're going to start up here on the sail panel. We're going to pry this away and remove it. If you can't pry it by hand, stick a plastic trim tool back here, pull it away. There is a tweeter speaker on this particular model on the back side, so push on the connector, unplug it. On the door handle, we have a little cap that exposes a Phillips head screw if you pop it open. I used a pick for that. You could use a pocket screwdriver if that's what you have. And remove the screw with a Phillips head bit. Set that aside safely. Right here by the grab handle, there's another cover. Pop that up as well. And remove this screw, also a Phillips head. Now to remove the door panel, we're going to have to pry it away. There's nothing else holding it on. I'm going to stick a plastic trim tool behind it and pop it open. Lift it up and pull it away, but not too far. You'll see the window switch connector here. Unplug that, and then just to make some more space and be able to remove the door panel, I'm also going to unplug this switch over here. Set that aside. Now you can remove your door panel. The window switch is held on with 4 Phillips head screws, so get a screwdriver and remove them all. Unfortunately for the last one, I have to remove this piece of foam and I will glue it back after, but I have to get a screwdriver in here. There's the switch. Grab your new one, slide it in, and let's put in all the screws. Alright, that's tight. Switch is back in. Now, to glue this, you could just use some all-purpose adhesive and stick it right back into place, which is what I'm going to do. Once it dries, we're going to install the door panel on the door. Let's reinstall the door panel. Connect your 2 electrical connectors, one for the mirror switch and the shorter one for the window switch. Hook it up and over the window seal. Tap it down. Once you're sure that it's lined up with all the push clips, tap it in. Reinstalled the main anchor screw on the grab handle. Snug it up. And close the cap. Put in the screw on the door handle. Cap this off as well. Lastly, the tweeter speaker. Reconnect it. And if your vehicle didn't have one, well, just put this panel right back on. There you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.